Okay, it's getting very hot already. Just returned back from the internet cafe. Still no internet at home. Managed to get the video uploaded, but let's get this one underway. Yeah, it's going to be a long day again. Before we head off into the cottage, I've got to prepare a dish for tonight. We're cooking it outside again. Great success with the bourguignon. Didn't heat up the kitchen too much because our bedroom's up there. We really do need to keep the heat down as much as possible inside because it's 40 plus today. We took all the precautions we can with fans and ice. So yeah, it is a struggle at the moment. So stay safe out there, especially if you're in France or England. Hello boy, nice and cool. Garlic, olive oil, onions. And then we've got that beautiful free range chicken going in there. Cayenne, pinch of cinnamon, pepper, turmeric, some pepper. There's also half a bottle of white wine and we've got a packet of prunes to go. And of course your salt and pepper seasoning. Stock cube, more water, lid on, back outside, let's get cooking. And this was the beef bourguignon that I cooked in the same pot outside from yesterday. It's warming up very quickly. No sign of the Starlink yet. It's due to arrive, well they said 5 to 10 days, but they was going to try and express it because we explained that trying to do daily videos and it's my livelihood and I need the system, so they said they'd try their best and fingers crossed it shouldn't be too far away. Let's shut that heat out and get some light on in here. Oh no, we're flat. Okay, let's get that on charge. Bees in here, let's open the window, get them out. I'd rather save a few bees and have a few flies come in. He says as he gets harassed by flies. Oh, that's horrible, isn't it? When you're really boiling hot, working away and flies are trying to get in your eyes and ears. Oh, that's a recipe for disaster, isn't it? Okay, what's that light on? Let's get that on charge. Yeah, we'll get to work then. You know, as inconvenient as it is having to drive out and try and upload the videos, it was nice to kind of get away from the humdrum routine. Meet a few people there, have a coffee and just get outside the space a little bit, isn't it? So yeah, I'm not moaning too much about having to go out and upload. It is just slightly inconvenient, especially when you don't have to go out in this heat, eh? Right, let's get this on charge, back inside. Check on the chickens later. What I think I'll do with the chickens, go in there, hose down all their run with some nice cold water. Hopefully that'll keep them cool later on. I checked on them earlier and they was all okay. It's actually not too hot in there. You've got the shade of the trees, which really does help. And yeah, they're a little bit hot because they're panting. Go on, back inside. So coming up in today's video, when we eventually get started. Yep, this wouldn't be a bad area to start. We need to paint this the same colour as the existing green, so I'll clear this off, get that painted. You know, it has been an inconvenience, as mentioned, more on the side of consuming more time than need be with the editing. Hopefully I'm still making engaging content for you to watch. There's enough in there to make it worthwhile watching, because that's what it is after all, isn't it? It's a trade of your time and my time, and then somewhere we meet in the middle. Well, Sam took that little Ryobi Hoover vacuum cleaner, cordless, into the house, and to be honest with you, I don't think I'll see it here again. She liked it so much. Quick hoover down. Now, if you don't already know, these are going to be the panels that go across there. It's kind of Splashback for the cooking area, and what I've done with some gold gilt wax is just picked up some definition of these little symbols. First, I think I've got to fix it. Yeah, just in. Okay, let's get those bottom fixings in, and I can tell exactly where they're going. Let's give this a base coat. Once again, there's another benefit of getting on a few coats before I come to the end of the project. And you can get behind all those things that are fitted as well. You have to paint around. Now you can just run a cloth around at this stage. Simply wipe off the excess. There will be a beading on there. Always grade and check your wood. The temptation is to take too much off in one pass. Oh, this is it. Fingers crossed. I think it's time for a hydration break. That's better. I needed that hydration break. Okay, I've put the chicken in the pot on the gas stove outside. Let's just go and check on that. It's only been on there 15 minutes. Make sure it's still going okay. Yeah. Somebody's keeping an eye on it, by the way. Yep, that's just starting to bubble away. Let's get out of the sun, back inside the cottage. On to the next job. Just another small section to get in here. Give that a coat. Oh, just too short. Ah, that should do it. That's okay. It's nice and dry now. Well, I hope you stay safe this week. It's extremely hot in France. Take care, and I'll see everyone tomorrow in the next video. Thanks for watching.